Are you the decision maker in a small to mid-sized company? Are you sick and tired of technology working against you instead of for you? Are you worried about malware, ransomware, and data loss? These are all situations that can seriously disrupt your business and cost you big money. I understand. I'm a business owner myself. We just want technology to work for us, not against us. We just want to know that the data is safe. And if there's a problem, we want to know who to call. I'm Sid Rothenberg, president and co-founder of Reliable Information Technology. We call ourselves RIT Company for short. If you operate a business with 10 or more computers, we will give you a free network security audit. Why do you want to do this? Because you want to make sure that people don't get in, and if they do get in, you want to know what they're going to have access to. Why do we do this? So that you can try us before you hire us full-time. Why wait? Contact us now to schedule your free audit. Thanks, and have a great day.